Welcome back. Super excited in this very brief lecture. I want to talk about the EC2 instances, the G4 rather EC2 instances that AWS just recently announced a few days ago, or maybe just a day or so, with the Nvidia T4 Tensor Core GPUs. So I'm going to talk about this in this brief video, what this is and why do we use it and what is the benefit. So the Nvidia powered G4 instances are now available within Amazon, and we can start to use them in different AWS regions. And I believe there are 8 regions that we can use these G4 instances, and they come in about 6 sizes. I'm going to give you a chart shortly. So we can use them for, and the reason why we have these or why AWS came up with these is because of the machine learning training and inferencing. In other words, the sheer volume of processing power is what this G4 instances provide. It is also used for video transcoding, game streaming, and remote graphics workstations applications. So right off the bat, you can see that these G4 instances are extremely powerful, and then the capabilities of how you can use them. Now, these instances are equipped with up to 4 Nvidia T4 Tensor Core GPUs. What is Nvidia T4 Tensor Core? We know that we're racing towards the future where every customer interaction, every product, and every service offering will be basically involve AI, right? And that's where the future is going, artificial intelligence. So realizing that the future requires a computing platform that can accelerate a full diversity of modern AI applications, enabling businesses to create additional new innovative customer experiences. For example, reimagine how they meet and exceed the customer demands. At the same time, cost effectively scale their AI-based products and services. And that's where the Nvidia T4 GPU would accelerate these diverse cloud workloads, including high-performance computing, deep learning training, convolutional networks, inference, machine learning, big data or data analytics, graphics, you name it. So based on these new Nvidia architecture and packaging within a pretty energy efficient 70 watt, I believe it was 70 or 80 watts, small PCIe form factor, this T4 is really optimized for mainstream computing environments. So the idea behind the AWS instances are the fact that they're equipped with up to 4 Nvidia T4 Tensor Core GPUs that I just explained, and each with 320 Turing tensor cores, 2560 CUDA cores, and 16 gigs of memory. That's pretty powerful. T4 GPUs are ideal for, once again, machine learning, computer vision, video processing, graphics, gaming, and so forth. The G4 instances powered by AWS is basically entails the second generation Intel Xeon scalable Cascade Lake processors, which up to 64 CPU are built into the AWS Nitro system. So you can see the specs of the EC2 instances G4 with the Nvidia T4 Tensor Core GPUs is pretty fascinating, pretty powerful. So next I'm going to show you the instance sizes. So it's a small chart that you can take a look at. And you can take a look at the instance names, the Nvidia T4 Tensor Core GPUs, the CPUs, RAM, local storage, the EBS bandwidth, and then your network bandwidth. Kind of gives you an idea of the instance sizes. So for example, if you want to run graphics workload on G4 instances, then you want to use the latest version of Nvidia AMI, right? That's the image you want to pick up within the AWS ecosystem, and it's available in the AWS marketplace, so that you can have access to the requisite grid and graphics drivers along with the Nvidia Quadro workstation image. So you can go ahead and search for within the AWS marketplace. Great. So where can you launch these G4 instances today? So right now they're available in the US East, North Virginia, US East, Ohio. You can also launch this in US West, Oregon, US West, North California, Europe, Frankfurt, Europe, Ireland, and Europe, London. And within the Asia Pacific, you can launch this in Seoul, right, in Korea, and then Asian Pacific, Tokyo region. Of course, as they grow, they're also going to make them accessible to or within Amazon SageMaker, ES clusters. So there you have it. The newly available EC2 instances by Amazon, the G4 instances with the Nvidia T4 Tensor Core GPU. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. You can also place comments or questions. With this, let's move to the next lesson.